Hi everyone, this is my web technology project called EcoTrack Sustainable Living Trackers. EcoTrack is a web page platform that encourages people to live more sustainable by tracking their eco-friendly activity, visualizing their environment, and rewarding them with achievement badge. So basically, I have built this project using MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js. Let's dive into the front end part. We have used the React.js for building the user interface and the React Router for web page navigations. Here you can see my app.js where the routes for login, dashboard, and field pages are defined. Axon is used to send a HTTP request. Axon is used to send a HTTP request to backend, and the JWT token are stored for the user authentication. Here's a JWT tokens. Now let's dive into the backend part. The backend is built using the Node.js and the Express framework. Here's my JS server file where I have connected the backend to MongoDB using the Mongoose. These tools are the this JavaScript file is used for the user login page, and this one for the actions made by them. This all the waste management, transportation, and the energy. These are all the actions that can be marked by the users. JWT handles a secure login session, and Bcrypt for used for the password hashing. This file is used for the security purpose. This file is for the security purpose and many more. I have already run the server and client using the Node index.js for server and npm start for the client. Before before looking into the website, let's dive into the database of our system. This is my database hosted on the MongoDB. As you can see, the collection of users, activities, and achievements. These are the actions made by the users. The volunteer for the environment, a electrical vehicle, reused containers, donated item. These are all the actions made by the users for developing our system of words. This session you can see the users infos. Praveen at gmail.com, abc at gmail.com. All these are the users logging into our website. Let's run our application. This is the login form where you can enter your email. You can see there's a change in password for our pop-up. This means the password is very weak and we have to change that. This is the dashboard of our project. Mm, These are the total actions made by the users. Volunteer for environment, electrical vehicle count to, and reusable. This can be done using the add action sections where user can add their action for their use. For example, let's take a work from home project. By doing this, we can save some energy and many more. We click the add action. Our new action will be add here, work from home. Here's a weekly progress of the actions. Action distribute. There's also a pie chart showing what are all the social activities we have done for this. This page where we can see the recent activities used by them. This there is also a different level of achievements based on our activities. Total point is also calculated, which will help the users be motivated to do some activities. This entire project is hosted on the render. Frontend is developed as a static site and the backend as a web server. The database is connected to the MongoDB Atlas. Render automatically handle the build and and developed whenever I push a new update to the GitHub. This is the GitHub page where I have pushed all my code and outputs. This is the readme function. To wrap up this EcoTrack of a full developed web page that combine the technology and sustainable uses the modern tool may make the eco consistency living measure fun and engaging. Through this project, I learned the full stack development, API integration, authentication system, and the cloud development. Thanks for watching. Hope you like the project.